Hi, my name is Justin Keppler, and today I'm going to be explaining to you the Euchre coding project. This project is powered by Python, which is a high-level general-purpose programming language, and Microsoft Excel, which is a spreadsheet program included in the Microsoft Office suite. The problem at hand was very simple. We wanted to know who was the best Euchre player out of our group. We considered writing down each game and each player on a piece of paper. However, we quickly realized that this was very inefficient and we needed a quick and easy way to log data. The solution? A Euchre spreadsheet. The Euchre spreadsheet allowed us to write down the date, each team, and the team scores. From there, the Euchre spreadsheet would calculate the winners, losers, and an enormous amount of statistics shown by this page. The Euchre spreadsheet came with a couple pros and a couple cons. The pros was that it allowed us to keep track of every single game that we played, and it also allowed us to see the statistics. However, it was hard to enter the data, and it ran some risk that someone may type in the wrong data into the wrong cell. So the solution was to take this basic concept and turn it into a program. This program uses Python and Excel to convey information on the screen to users for data analysis and for team creation. We are now over into the code of the program that I made for our Euchre. This project took me around 2 months to complete. This included the creation, testing, and fixing anything that went wrong with the program. Overall, I learned a lot from programming this, and it helped me a lot with my problem-solving skills and making sure that everything looked, felt, and worked the way I want it to be. I will now show you the Euchre program and how it runs. It makes a nice little box here with some tools that we can use to enter our data. First off, we can click on the Team Generation tab. From here, we can add people to the queue and make random teams. If we do not want someone to be in the queue, we can simply remove them. For now, let's leave the queue at 4 people and generate the teams. As you can see, it randomly generates the teams with the people that we specified in our queue. What if, per se, that we already know who is playing the game? We can simply go to the Data Entry tab and we can select people to be a part of the game. Let's just say that for now, Drew and Sarah were partners, and Joe and Megan were partners. We can simply click on their names and add them to the teams. Let's just say that Sarah wasn't playing with Drew, and Sophie was playing with Drew. We can simply add her to the game. You press this button and it simply goes now to the Input Data tab. From here, we can go ahead and change what the score was for each game, simply by pressing these little buttons. We press the check mark, and the game is now logged in. If we go over to the Statistics tab, we can go ahead and click on either Individual Stats or All Player Stats. On the Statistics page, we can go ahead and select a player. Let's say Sarah. As you can see, it pulls up Sarah's statistics. The statistics at the bottom are actually computed based on a certain algorithm that we created for the Euchre score. It's a simple way to look at a player and see where they are ranked to other people. Championship points are based on tournaments that we play at the end of a 3-week rotation. Season points just deal with our position in that championship. As you can see, Sarah has won 1 championship, and it corresponds to Season 1. If we go back, click on All Players, and we can click on Wins, and it will pull up every single person's name and show them their corresponding wins. It works with win percentage, points, average points per game, our Euchre score, which is again our algorithm that we made, championship points, which is if you want a tournament, and your season score, which is based on those championships. As you can see, it's a very simple and intuitive tool to allow my friends to input data. It's very easy, it looks nice to the eye, and you can't break it when it comes to inputting the data. Here is the backbone of the whole entire program, Excel. This is where the data comes into play. The Excel spreadsheet holds all the data and allows us to save data when we close the program. So basically, Python opens this sheet, grabs the data, and then computes all the statistics in the program and shows it on screen. So all of these cells can be changed in Excel and it will update in Python. This concludes the Euchre coding project that once again took me around 2 months to create, and I'm just really proud as to how it all turned out, how intuitive it was, and how much I've learned over the course of making it.